for some potential buys to retest this high. It's been a very frustrating day so far. Tried the buys earlier, got stopped out because my stop loss was a little bit conservative. But yeah, we're gonna see. I'm just gonna wait for this next 30-minute candle to open and then see if we can get either entries to fill this wick and then continue, or at the break of this high, depending on how strong we close here. So let's wait and see. Probably will use a 30 lot for this because it's with the daily trend, and yeah, nice clean candles to the left as well, good range too. So let's see. It's not an amazing close, to be honest. It's, yeah, could definitely have been stronger, but what I'm gonna wait for now is just this candle to create a bit of a bottom wick and then break its own high, and then there's potential to continue bullish. You can see this is what our potential position is going to look like, guys, if we obviously not break this candle's own high. What's quite nice as well, as you can see, we've had a nice liquidity grab on the 1 hour, so definitely potential to fill this wick. Daily did break the previous daily high, got some clean range to trade into, possibly retest the daily high of today, and the 4 hour as well has broken the previous 4 hour high. So we do have a lot of candle confluences in our favor as well. Like I said, we just got to time this correctly. Okay, so the 15-minute candle is about to close now. You can see here, I'm just gonna show you on the 15-minute candle, if we do get some sort of resistance form, it's actually going to be really good for us, because we can then obviously get a break of resistance within the 30-minute support and then continue bullish, one hopes. But we'll just have to see how this 15 candle closes. It's closing in a minute, and yeah, we'll hopefully stick to the original entry ideas. Okay, so we are in, guys. Entry has been taken. Just when we re-broke this current 30-minute candle high, we have the new 15-minute candle forming right now, or about to open. So we'll see if we can get some volume through that, and then I'll adjust my stop loss also accordingly, depending on how this next 15-minute candle pushes. If it can break the high of the previous 15-minute candle, that'll be great, because then we can obviously then start shifting the stop loss up a bit with a bit more confidence. But until then, it is quite a big stop loss, just because we obviously don't really have any other technical area to be putting it in. Moving quite nicely at the moment, so just kind of hoping we end up breaking the high of the previous 30-minute candle, and then obviously potential to see that continuation up to about, I'd say 2360 is a good area. If we can get up to around that area, that'll be great. Just need a bit of volume and a push. So what I'll probably end up doing is, if we do break the high of this previous 30-minute candle, I'll likely, because at that point we'll probably be up over 10 pips, I'm going to just trail my stop loss to probably just below the flip of this 30-minute candle. Obviously then we are reducing our risk that we have on the table, and also we wouldn't really want to see this candle flipping after we've pushed that much, so I think it's just the safest thing to do in this scenario. yeah, so we can begin to trail the stop loss now. I'll probably leave it at around this area over here. And now, I mean, our stop loss is only 8 pips now, so it's a much more conservative area to have it, but also much less risk on the table. Really hoping to just sort of see that volume injection, and yeah, we'll probably try and look at securing some profits quite a bit up the way. That's looking better, certainly. We're almost at 20 pips now, so they're almost 30, so at the moment we're looking good. At this point, what I am going to do though, guys, is certainly move my stop loss to entry. I don't really want to go up 30 pips and be stopped out or lose any money from that situation. So I am sort of accepting that it could be a break-even trade, but I do believe that if we can just get the push through, we can get to this 2360 area. In fact, what I'm going to do is that's exactly where I'm going to put my TP is just before 2360, and then yeah, just hope for continuation here. Okay, we're getting a bit more volume now, so hopefully we can just continue a bit more. 35, 34 pips. I'm probably just going to secure here, guys, because we're reacting quite a lot at this level, but it's a great trade nevertheless. Let's just see. Yeah, perfect. We can secure there. Great. So that was just a nice sort of, as the members would know, that's a type C entry, support on support. You can see we had quite a strong rejection candle over here. We then had a support form, took the entry. You guys saw when I took the entry, I explained it before. We waited for the candle to create a high, then have a bit of a pullback, and then break its own high. We took that on the break of its own high. Obviously, we had the clean candles to the left, the support form to the left as well, the wick to trade into. So all around, it was a pretty textbook trade. We had pretty much no drawdown. In fact, I'll watch it back to see. But yeah, I mean, we had to wait for this one, but definitely worth it. So now, today we're up for the day. It's been a testing day. Like I said, there was that trade earlier, which obviously could have been a lot better, but it just ended up getting stopped out. That's what happens sometimes if you have a conservative stop loss. But then to see this play out pretty well at this point, I think it was all around a good day. You can see we're up after commission 6.2k, so it's not been a bad day at all. And now we just take this into the rest of the week, and hopefully we can find some more clean moves like that. But yeah, I will see you guys in the week. I'm going to make a video for this one, which you'll be watching now. But yeah, thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed this one.